Don't play around the Quran. I need to get something. You didn't mix up this Quran, Zima. I need to get a nice box. I think if I'm going to Mr. Price, I'm gonna buy a nice box. Ah! You have all the Qurans, but you don't have the Quran.
Can I tell you it looks like inside, Tara? Oh, that's the...
You need to... What are your guys say about this color I've put the? Can you please advise me? Or maybe I must put the mirrors, or maybe I must put the mirrors a bit upper. I don't know, man. I'm like not happy with what I did here. Like not enjoyed. Anyway, guys, this is how my house looks this morning. When my helper helps, ne? She leaves. Okay, yesterday it was because the work was more, right? But usually when she helps, she struggles to put things where they were. So that's like an extra job for me sometimes, like when it comes to that. So now I'm just quickly sorting out my place. Other places she does try, but she really struggled to put back the things where it was. It's like she forgets. Yeah, anyway, guys, I don't think I'll do that with you. I don't think I'll do that with you guys. I don't know. I'm just lazy to vlog, like seriously lazy. And this is a good content. If I wanted to vlog right now, it was gonna be nice content because I'm like kind of like showing you guys my decor. Maybe I'll vlog. I have lots that I'm doing. I don't know, guys. My passion for vlogging, it's slowly disappearing. It's just slowly going away. I don't know why. Anyway, let me sort out this place. Maybe that side, because that side, yeah, I think I'll do that side with you guys. This side, you guys know how everything looks, but I'll show you once I'm finished also here. Hey guys, assalamu alaikum, welcome back. If it's your first time, my name is Amina. Thank you so much for clicking in to watch this video. So in today's video, guys, we are quickly just sorting out my living room, painting the vases, and just trying to make this place look nice. There's nothing new that I bought apart from 2 vases that I got as a present, guys. Finally got them. I was eyeing them for such a long time. And yeah, guys, I actually love this content more than everything that I share. Decor. I love decor. I love home decor, guys. I love it so much. It's only that it requires money. So yeah, but I love home decor a lot, and it is included in my channel also, like DIYs, just home decor, you know. But I feel like I'm not reaching that level that I want to reach to actually always come and share with you guys. But nevertheless, let's sort out this place. I did declutter this kind of like drawers I have on my living room. It was messy than what it is right now, so just putting back the things since I finished painting. Guys, this video is supposed to have up long time ago. Anyway, guys, yeah, guys, be here. Let's sort out the place. Let's give each other ideas of how to decorate the place. And yeah, here I was just quickly just checking my cutlery set, if it's still together. Yeah, usually this one, I have 2 gold cutlery sets, the one we use always, but this one I just bought it because it had very good reviews on Take a Lot, and I've used it before, and I've put it in the machine I think 2 times, so the gold is good. But this one, these are bought from Chinese, some of the Chinese shop here in town. Yeah, yeah, I can't really recommend it, but you know, it's nice to have it. Yeah, that's what we always use when we're eating. Anyway, guys, be here. Let's sort out this place. Let's do a mini living room update, let me say it like that. Thank you so much for clicking in, guys. I'm still on my PJs. One of the reasons I'm not fully doing this with you as if I forgot now. Just want to open these vase and show you guys. Oh God, I've been wanting this for the longest time. Let me just open. Guys, I've been wanting this vase for the longest time. Oh my God, when I say navy speaks to my soul, I don't think anyone understands how much I love navy. There's something that it does to my soul. That's how much I love it. It's not just a color. So I'm not sure if I'm going to put it here, because right now I'm actually going to paint these gold. So I'm not sure. I feel like the setting here, okay, this doesn't stay here. It doesn't stay here. I just put it because they put it. I didn't put it because they didn't know how to put it. So this, I don't think it must be here. Then it's like so many navies. I'm not sure. But what I'm going to do right now is to paint the black vase gold. Then I will decide after that, because yeah, I love the black, but I feel like now it's just too much of dark colors here. I don't know what you guys say, but at the same time, it does not look bad. But also, I feel like navy with gold, yeah, it will just make sense. No, it's for me. It's for the shower. You can use it also, but in the shower. Yeah, I also want to try it. Yes. So guys, I love this vase so much, like literally in love with the vases, but because of I have a toddler. Is it still a toddler if it's turning 5? Hey guys, after a toddler, what comes? Anyway, I have these 2 vases. I love them so much, but I feel like this makes sense here. This will make sense in the sitting room next to the TV, but he plays a lot around there, and yeah, I can't have them be broken there. So I'm like bummed where to put them. Let's go quickly paint this. This is the before. I have mixed up here some random plants. It's really random, you know, but it was actually making sense before. It was actually looking nice. I don't know if it's still gonna look nice. It just brings a drama, especially this. It brings some drama here. So let's quickly just go paint then and see what we're gonna do. Otherwise, if this doesn't have a place, guys, I'm so limited when it comes to buying decor because of my son. I'm really limited, and I don't want to be shouting like, don't touch this, don't do that. Yeah, so yeah, I already have enough things that he can easily break. So to add on top of that, it's really not right, for both of us, actually, for him and me. Anyway, guys, let's go paint this. Okay, you guys, naibona lenza I'm gonna tell you, I love paint. I really do. I just feel like it can transform anything. So this is how the gold looks like. This is how the black was looking. Do you see? It looks nice now. It looks really nice. It wasn't looking nice before, but this is much more it for me. That time when I got black, it made sense. Now this one makes sense. Yeah, guys, let's spray this one now. Anything really. Okay guys, finally finished putting this place together. This plant I won't be touching. It actually stays that side, but I will only sort it out once the time of the month is finished, which is like in 3 days. So it will be sitting like this. I actually want to repot it. Is that a word? Like move it from this pot, although I love this pot so much, but I need to buy something smaller so that when I water it, the water must actually go down. So as you see it has turned color. It's because always when I water it, I put too much water. Sometimes I forget, and then it takes forever for me to put water again. When I put it more. This is the reason. Yeah, because you know the plants, they need enough water but not too much water. And yeah, so that's the reason it looks like that. Yeah, and I'm still not happy with this, but maybe after some time I think I'll paint the whole place with just normal white paint. I don't know, I'll see. And then this side I am done. This side, I think it looks lovely, guys. The vase really looks lovely. I have decided to keep the vases from Mr. Price, the navy ones. As you can see, it like kind of like makes sense here. Okay, here I put tissues here. This is actually for my bathroom. I'm just putting it temporarily here. I just need time to clean my bathroom, then I'll put it there. And then I decided to just keep it simple here. This is actually a frame that I love it so much. It's just unique. I love it so much. It's from Sheet Street and it's 50 rand. And then obviously that vase, the navy one. Yeah, just simple, and it's actually just less things. I also decluttered here, guys. Although I feel like I will always have extra things, it doesn't look like I have decluttered. I just added some few things. I have to spray paint something tomorrow. And then this is my prayer area. It still looks the same. Nothing has changed really. It still just looks the same, apart from my beautiful basket. I use it as a basket. It's a picnic bag, I think. Is it a picnic bag? Guys, I'm always confused whether I'm going to say it's a basket, but it's big enough to be used as a basket, but it's actually a bag. As you guys can see, I've decided to put my praying mat there. Obviously, when I go somewhere, I'll use it also. But this is how I'm using it. Yeah, guys. And the only place that is left to be sorted, it's this area here. This area here, like, it really just gives me stress always. But for now, what I'm going to do is I need to re-put this nicely. My son took it out this. And I want to put some dry flowers. Like it must have volume and must be big. Then it looks nice on this glass vase. Yes, my sisters, this is what I have done, the improvement that I've done. But I'm thinking I'm still gonna paint this place. This side I didn't paint, guys. I was just showing you this plant that it was actually outside, but it was not, living how I want. It must flourish, so I decided to bring it inside. And at the beginning of the video, I was just saying I need a new basket, something to put our holy Qurans. I have so many Qurans, guys. These Qurans you see here, okay, the small ones, these ones are written in big Arabic words, a big alphabet, so it's easy to read. So in all this that you see, I think these are the ones that we read. And then we have this Quran with a pen. I don't know what happened to the pen. I think after that it was really not helpful. But something happened to the pen. But we still have in the house. It's just that I don't think it's working nicely. Yeah, but the main Quran that we read in the house, it's there on the prayer area. So these ones were really dirty. They had dust. And that's not a good thing. These are holy books. So I got a box for them just so that they must sit nicely. One are supposed to actually cover, and the other one, the navy one that is sitting there. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for being here. Please do write on the comment section what could I have done differently. And you guys are my friends, and you my sisters. We give each other inspiration here. You also write in the comment section, I think this is nice, this is not nice. Don't just say everything is nice, even if just to make me happy. Yeah, give me ideas. We in this channel we do things together, guys. I give you ideas. You guys write in the comment section and tell me, what am I doing right? What am I doing wrong? Yeah, I think, guys, this year I need to get a name for you guys. What I must call you and stop these guys things. Please do advise me on the comment section. My living room, must I put the table vertically or horizontally? Which one looks much more better? Please write on the comment section so I can decide. Thank you so much. At the moment it looks like this, how you see here, but yeah, I'm not sure which is which. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you on my next upload. Bye bye.